Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Viewers, today's our topic is solving linear equations. In this lecture, we will discuss the method for solving the linear equations. Solve each of the following equations. Are you listening, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First question.
Yes.
First question. Y plus 0.4 is equal to 1.6. This is the linear equation. And how can we solve this equation? Can anybody tell you? What is variable? What is variable here?
Y.
Okay, we have to find the value of y. What should be the first step?
Yes.
सर 0.4 को उधर ले जाएंगे
Yes, उधर ले
1.6
ठीक है, उसमें से माइनस हो जाएगा ना 0. आप
Yes.
कह रहे हैं कि we should take 0.4 on the right hand side and it will become
Yes.
1.6 minus 0.4.
minus 0.4
Okay, in fact, the complete step here is that we are basically subtracting 0.4 from both sides. Subtract 0.4 from both sides. So this gives you y plus 0.4 minus 0.4 is equal to 1.6 minus 0.4. And then simplify both sides. Now, what's the simplification? This 0.4 will be cancelled out with this minus 0.4. And 1.6 minus 0.4 is equal to 1.2. At this stage, basically we are doing the same thing as you told me, that just subtract 0.04 from 0.4 from 1.6. Actual step is that we are basically subtracting 0.4 from both sides. And as you told me, that is also correct way. Zohaib, that is also correct way. Taking this 0.4 from taking this 0.4 on the right hand side and subtracting from 1.6 will give you result 1.2. Y is equal to 1.2 answer. Now, if you have a doubt in your mind, then you can even verify your answer, whether this answer satisfies the original equation or not. How can you verify? Okay, verification. Y plus 0.04 is equal to 1.6. It is the given linear equation, and we have solved this equation, and we have got the solution 1.2. Y is equal to 1.2. If we put here y is equal to 1.2, we replace y by 1.2. We get on the left hand side 1.6. 1.2 plus 0.4 is equal to 1.6. And obviously, on the right hand side we have 1.6. These two sides are balanced. Therefore, we say this is the correct solution. Y is equal to 1.2. This is how can we verify our solution. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
yes
Okay. Question number 2. What is variable here, Zohaib?
A
Shabash.
A.
Okay. And how can you find the value of A?
सर minus 2.7 को
जी जी
इस
ठीक है,
साइड पे ले जाएंगे
राइट साइड पे ले जाएंगे ना, तो वो क्या बन
राइट
जाएगा?
साइड पे ले जाएंगे
राइट साइड पे ले जाएंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा?
minus 6.4 plus 2.7
यस, तो मैं कंप्लीट स्टेप्स करूंगा. ऐड 2.7 ऑन बोथ साइड्स. 2.7 ऐड कर दिया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे भी और राइट हैंड साइड पे भी. जो आप कह रहे थे कि आप राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाएं वो 2.7. अब स्टेप क्या होगा? 2.7 और माइनस 2.7 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा और राइट हैंड साइड पे 2.7 minus 6.4 will give you answer minus 3.7. So this is our required answer, minus 3.7. And you can also verify this answer by putting in the given equation. You will get minus 6.4 on both sides. Question, solve the equation 4x minus 28. Now once again जो है, because Hamna already has sent me solved questions.
Yes.
Okay, you tell me, how can you solve this question?
सर x a
Sir, can I?
Just
सर
please
x
wait.
इधर ही रहेगा
हाँ जी, ठीक है. Okay, okay.
और माइनस 28 ओवर 4 हो जाएगा.
Yes, yes, Hamna, you can give answer now.
We will divide minus 28 by 4.
Okay, here 4 is multiplied with x. When on the left hand side of the equation some number is multiplied with other, then that number divides the right hand side. Or in other words, you can perform the same operation on both sides of the equation. And now in order to remove 4 from the left hand side, we have to divide 4x by 4. We have to divide the left hand side by 4. And obviously we are bound to do the same operation for the right hand side. Once again I repeat, in order to remove from 4 from here, we have to divide this left hand side 4x by 4. And in order to balance the equation, we have to perform the same operation on the right hand side. That is, we have to divide right hand side by 4 as well. Therefore, I'm writing here, divide both sides by 4. This gives left hand side means 4x divided by 4 is equal to minus 28 divided by 4. Same operation. You have done the same operation on both sides of the equation. Now, simplification means you are cutting 4 and this 4 will cancel out minus 28, giving the answer minus 7. X is equal to minus 7. This is our required answer of the equation. Solve the equation 3x minus 4 is equal to 11. 3x minus 4 is equal to 11. Add 4 on both sides. Simplify both sides. Subtracting this minus 4 and this 4 will be cancelled out. And then 11 plus 4 will give you 15. 3x plus 0 is equal to 15. 3x is equal to 15. At this stage, once again, you have to remove 3 from left hand side. You can simply take this 3 on the right hand side by dividing 15 by 3. Or you can perform the operation dividing both sides by 3. We have, we just have to stop here for a slide. Are you listening now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Once again, I repeat, dividing both sides of this equation, 3x is equal to 15 by 3. We have 3x over 3, 15 over 3. This 3 on the left hand side will be cancelled out with this 3. And this 3 will cancel out 15 to get the answer 5. And we have x is equal to 5. Next, we have a question, solve the equation. 9x plus 4 is equal to 31. Solve yourself and tell me the answer. Answer is 3. You have to solve this question yourself. Next
Okay.
question, solve the equation 4x minus 10 is equal to 5x plus 7. Now solve this question yourself and give me the answer. I'm pausing here recording. Please solve with the pencil. Hamna, where is Qasim today?
Sir, he is eating food.
Okay. Hamna, what's your answer?
X is equal to 17.
Okay. Zohaib. Yes. Yes, Zohaib, what's your answer?
X is equal to 3.
Okay. Now look at the solution. We have 4x minus 10 is equal to 5x plus 7. Now, seeing this question, what step arises in your mind? Please tell me what step. Hamna, what you did in the first step?
Sir,
Sir, I moved the minus 10 to the right hand
Yes.
side
Okay. And
and moved 5x to the left hand side.
Zohaib, what you did?
sir, I wrong the question.
Well, please tell me the first step.
Sir, I can take minus 10 to right side,
Yes. Then
but
You-
I
but-
cannot change the sign.
okay. Okay. But I am telling you, I think both of you have solved wrongly. Subtract 5x from both sides. Look at here. First of all, variable is x. And we are going to find the variable of value of variable. X, we are going to find the value of x. That's why we bring x on the left hand side. All the variables should be on the left hand side. Therefore, I'm subtracting 5x from both sides because or you can say that we have to move this 5x on the left hand side. When you move this 5x on the left hand side, this will become minus 5x. And the same thing I did by subtracting 5x from both sides. Now look at this simplification gives us cancelling 5x and minus 5x from the right hand side. And at this stage, the same step which I did, if we take 5x, if we move 5x on the left hand side, this will give you minus 5x. And by cancelling 5x minus 5x gives you the same result. And you can just move this 5x on the left hand side, giving it getting 4x minus 5x. And at this stage, minus 10 is kept on the left hand side, and plus 7 is also kept on the right hand side. Next, we have this 4x minus 5x is equal to minus x. 4x minus 5x will give you minus x. Remember, this is 4 and this is minus 5. When you add 4 in, when you subtract minus 5 from 4, you get minus 1. That's why 4x minus 5x will give you minus x. And minus 10 remains as it is, and 7 remains as it is. What is the next step? Next step is take this minus 10 on the right hand side, and this minus 10 on the right hand side will become plus 10. And I do this by adding 10 on the both sides. this minus 10 plus 10 will be cancelled out, and finally this minus 10 have been moved on the right hand side, giving you the plus 10. This is minus x is equal to 7. Hamna, you gave me the answer x is equal to 17, but this is not the value of x. This is minus x. Minus x
Yes,
is equal.
sir, I
Yes.
got minus x is equal to 17, but I thought that it would be wrong to add minus on the x, so I didn't add it.
No. But this is not the answer. Minus x is equal to 17 is not the solution. We are looking the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Now my question is that how can we remove this negative sign from here? If we could remove this negative sign from here, we will get the value of x. How can we remove? Azim, can you tell me how can we remove this minus x from the left hand side? Zohaib, sorry, अजीम कह गया. आपको बात समझ आई है कि यहाँ वैल्यू आई है माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू 17, लेकिन हमें एक्स की वैल्यू चाहिए, हमें एक्स चाहिए, तो उसके लिए हमें यहाँ से नेगेटिव साइन रिमूव करना है. तो क्या आपके ज़हन में स्ट्रेटजी आती है कि कैसे नेगेटिव साइन रिमूव किया जा सकता है? जोहेब, हम ना आप बताएं.
Sir, we will add minus x
नहीं, माइनस
on the
एक्स
both sides.
नहीं, माइनस एक्स ऐड करेंगे या एक्स ऐड करेंगे?
X.
तो फिर इधर 0 आ जाएगा, उधर एक्स हो जाएगा.
सर
उधर जी जी जी.
सर माइनस एक्स को उस साइड पे ले जाएंगे और 17 को लेफ्ट साइड पे.
यस यस, यू आर राइट. देखो हम ना वो कह रहे हैं कि आप माइनस एक्स को राइट साइड पे ले जाएं, वो एक्स बन जाएगा जाके, और 17 को इस तरफ ले आए तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? माइनस 17. तो एक्स की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? माइनस 17. हम ना समझ आई बात?
Yes, sir.
देखें, बट लुक एट हाउ आई एम डूइंग इट. मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स बाय -1. -1, do you know the same operation can be done on the both sides of the equation? Therefore, in order to remove this minus x, one method Zohaib told us, we can take this minus x on the right hand side, this will be plus x, and we can take this 17 on the left hand side, this will give you minus 17. The answer will be x is equal to minus 17. The other way is that in order to remove this negative sign, we can multiply this with -1 into minus x, and here -1 into 17. -1 into minus x, what should be the answer?
Plus x.
Yes, this will give you plus x, and here -1 into 17 will give you -17. This is another way to get the value of x, which is -17. Zohaib, you got the point? Zohaib,
Yes.
you got the point? इस तरह भी कर सकते
Yes.
हैं, इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं, समझ आई है?
Yes.
लेकिन जो आपने किया था वो आसान था, वो ज्यादा बेहतर था कि -x उधर ले जाएं और 17 इधर ले जाएं. Okay, next question. Solve the equation 5x plus 1 over 3 is equal to 7. What should be the first step? Hamna? Solve mean that we have to find the value of x. In order to find the value of x, first of all, we have to remove 3 from on left hand side. How can we remove 3 from the left hand side? Zohaib? Here 3 is dividing 5x plus 1. On the right hand side,
Sir,
but
it will go on the right. It will go on the right hand side, and it will multiply with 7.
yes. Zohaib, when we take this 3 on the right hand side, this will multiply with 7.
Yes.
Because here it is dividing 5x plus 1. But going on the right hand side, it will multiply with 7. And what's the operation? Multiply both sides by 3. You can just take this 3 on the right hand side and multiply with 7. But I'm performing the complete step, multiplying this right left hand side 5x plus 3 by 3 and this right hand side 7 by 3. Next, simplification means cutting this 3 by this 3, and this 3 into 7 will give you 21. After cancelling 3 by 3, we have 5x plus 1 is equal to 21. I think next step is very simple. You can take this plus 1 on the right hand side, putting minus 1, and this will give you 5x is equal to 20. What's the final step? Just we have to remove 5 from left hand side, and here 5 is multiplied with x, therefore we have to divide both sides by 5. This 5 is cancelled out and this 5 will cancel 20, giving answer 4, and x is equal to 4. Any questions please in this method?
No, sir.
Zoheb,
No.
इसमें बड़ा आसान स्टेप्स ये थे, मैं तो कंप्लीट स्टेप कर रहा हूँ. आसान स्टेप ये है कि 3 चुके यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर रहा है 5x प्लस 1 को, तो उधर जाके ये मल्टीप्लाई करेगा 5, और जैसे ही आप 3 को उधर ले जाएंगे तो आप इमीडिएटली इस स्टेप पे आ जाएंगे. 5x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 21, और उसके बाद 1 को उधर ले जाएंगे तो आप इस स्टेप पे आ जाएंगे 5x इक्वल टू 20. उसके बाद अगर आप 5 को इधर ले जाएं तो आप इस स्टेप पे आ जाएंगे कि ये आ जाएगा 20 by 5x equal to 4, and this will give you the answer of the equation. Hopefully you got the point, and some questions of linear equations. I
No,
think
sir.
क्या कह रही हैं?
Sir, can I send you a question and can you explain it in the next class?
Yes, obviously, why not?
Okay, I will send you.
Okay. Or even you can share in this lecture as well. When we are delivering lecture, you can share with your mobile phone and we can solve it. Next, in the next lecture, we will try to solve the applications of linear equations, but please send your problems as well.
Okay.
Zoheb, you also.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Okay.